Above the thunder of the Atlantic winds, above the rhythm of Rio's endless heartbeat, a single figure stands, motionless, eternal, and watching. This is Christ the Redeemer. On atop of Mount Corcovado, rising 710 meters above sea level, the statue towers over Rio de Janeiro, Tijuca Forest National Park, offering panoramic views of the city. Like a guardian carved from the sky itself. Its full height reaches 38 meters, and its arms stretch 28 meters wide, forming one of the largest Art Deco sculptures ever built. Approximately 635 metric tons in weight. The idea of placing a religious monument on Corcovado dates back to 1850, but political change delayed its creation for decades. It wasn't until 1921, after a nationwide fundraising campaign, that construction finally began. Brazil was entering a new era, modern, fast-changing, uncertain. The statue was meant to be more than a decoration. It was designed to anchor a nation spiritually during a time of transformation. Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa designed the structure. French sculptor Paul Landowski shaped the face and hands in Paris, while Romanian sculptor Gheorghe Leonida gave Christ his calm, human expression. The statue's outer skin is made of over 6 million triangular pieces of soapstone, each placed by hand. This stone was chosen not only for beauty, but for endurance, capable of withstanding extreme heat, rain, and coastal winds. Building a statue of this scale on a mountain was an engineering miracle of its time. There were no helicopters. Every material was transported by railway, then carried up steep, narrow paths. Workers labored at dangerous heights, surrounded by fog and sudden storms. Yet remarkably, no fatalities were recorded during construction. Unlike many monumental statues that project power or dominance, Christ the Redeemer projects openness. The outstretched arms form a cross, but also resemble an embrace, symbolizing forgiveness, protection, and unity. It faces the city, not the sky. A reminder that faith in this vision belongs among the people. Over the decades, lightning has struck the statue multiple times, once damaging its fingers and head. Each time, it was restored using the original soapstone, preserving its identity. Even nature seems to test it. And still, it stands. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Today, it is not only a Christian symbol, but a global icon, recognized across cultures, religions, and borders. More than 2 million visitors ascend Corcovado each year, drawn not just by the view, but by the presence. As daylight fades and Rio glows beneath it, the statue remains unchanged. Arms open, face calm, watching, not as a ruler, not as a judge, but as a reminder that even above the noise of the world, peace is still possible. If this story moved you, like, subscribe, and share the video. Comment below which legendary monument you want to explore next.